Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager with Heartland RV. I'm excited to show all of you the all-new 2021 Big Country 3155 RLK floor plan. Before I get started into all the amenities, a couple things to point out. This is the lightest weight coach in this entire lineup, weighing in at less than 13,000 pounds, depending on some of the add-ons and features that you get. But this is also the smallest overall length, with a length of less than 37 feet from nose to tail. I want to start out in the rear living area. We're going to talk about the amenities that you can expect as standard, starting out with this large big screen TV, 40-inch fireplace that's going to put out about 5,000 BTUs. You have a beautiful TriFold sofa, huge cabinetry. Now, one of the things that the Big Country team has done is they're hitting everything that's trending. Light in color, neutral tones, beautiful integrated fascia. That's all going to be standard. All of these cabinets are Amish made, so very durable, very nice. A lot of storage you're getting in this rear living, and as you can tell, I'm 6'3", 250. There's just a lot of space here. This is what the TriFold sofa looks like laid out. I'm pretty impressed. This is actually very large. I would equate this close to a queen bed, but don't quote me on the exact dimensions. The other nice feature that's included in this TriFold sofa is you've got nice nightstands on both sides equipped with power and USB. I just want to show you the theater seating. It's all power controlled, very comfortable, and they get pretty toasty pretty quick. Carpet has been removed in this entire coach. The Big Country team put in this beautiful flooring. There's no carpet. What you do have is on the slide out, you have a marine grade woven fabric. This is going to mitigate against odors, moisture, and it's going to be very easy to take care of, but it's much more durable than carpet. Talking specifically here in the slide out, again, you've got the fascias, the balances, everything is coming as standard. Again, more storage here above these beautiful theater seating integrated with heat and massage. That's all going to be standard. In this slide out, you have a really nice design. This table is actually expandable, and it's going to come standard with 2 chairs, and then of course 2 folding chairs as well. Within the 3155 RLK, the thing that most impresses me is this kitchen. Matt and our Big Country team have done a great job listening to the customer. They wanted more residential style for 2021, and they delivered. Starting here on the island, they've got a beautiful integrated shiplap, solid surface countertop with a 3-inch lift, something you probably aren't going to see at this price point. Now, if I continue along some of the amenities, again, you've got a 4-burner stove. This is going to be standard. This large microwave, standard. You have a residential style fridge, 22 cubic feet, standard. Well thought out, well designed storage all around this entire kitchen, making this functional and aesthetically very pleasing. You've got a recessed farm style double basin sink, a nice residential style fixture, but what really impresses me is how they were able to maximize the space for you to have a lot of storage. This is a giant pantry. And again, the cabinetry continues all the way up to the ceiling. There's a lot of ceiling height, there's a lot of room. This is a beautifully done kitchen. This is not a queen size bed. Going east to west, this is a king size bed, giving you easy access to storage, fully sealed off from down below, very easy to access. On both sides of the king size bed, you have beautiful fascia rounding out 2 nightstands, so you have access to power at bedtime. Over here, you've got this beautiful cabinet with a very nice solid surface countertop here. You've got a location for power, as well as a connectivity for a TV to mount right here. And you have a lot of storage behind these mirrored closet doors. What also impresses me, you have prep for a washer and dryer. Very large here in the front master suite area, and again, 6'3", there's a lot of room, and I'm very comfortable inside of this coach. If you love all the features, amenities, and functionality in this Big Country 3155 RLK, then I invite you to go to heartlandrvs.com to get more information.